Craving for something hot and spicy? Don't worry, I have you covered. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and today I have the recipe for pan-fried momos. I'm going to start with grilling some tomatoes and garlic for the momos chutney. So on a wire rack, keep 2 small tomatoes, and I've also stewed few garlic cloves. Turn on the flame and let them slowly char. Keep rotating them in the middle. Don't let the garlic burn completely. They just have to be cooked. Make sure you keep the flame on low to medium. Keep turning them around. The garlic cloves have charred nicely. Let's remove them and keep them aside. While the tomatoes are grilling, let's quickly make the momos dough. So I have a cup of plain flour or maida here. Into this, add in salt to taste, a teaspoon of oil. Mix these ingredients together and let's prepare a soft dough using water. The dough is ready. Just flatten it and leave it aside for around 7 to 8 minutes. Let's check on the tomatoes. They should be done by now. Just poke the fork. Make sure it's cooked all the way through. This one is done too. Let's get it out. Cool the tomatoes completely. While that's happening, let's quickly make the filling for the momos. Turn on the flame. Heat a teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, a tablespoon of garlic finely chopped. Stir fry them for a few seconds. 1/4 cup finely chopped red capsicum, 1/4 cup finely chopped green capsicum, 1/4 cup finely chopped carrots, 1/4 cup finely chopped cabbage, 1/4 cup finely chopped red cabbage, 1 tablespoon of coarsely ground peanuts. Let's quickly add all the seasoning ingredients. I have soy sauce here. Add in a teaspoon, 1 big pinch of pepper powder, salt to taste, a teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch. Give all these ingredients a quick mix. Turn off the flame. Remove the vegetables in a plate to cool down completely. Don't leave them in the hot pan. Time to make the momos wrap. Take a small portion of the dough. Dust a little bit of plain flour and let's roll this into a sheet. Roll a thin sheet, and now I'm going to cut this sheet into small 3 inches rounds. Use any kind of a ring or a round bowl to cut them into equal sizes. Let's make a few more wraps. Place a teaspoon of the filling in the center of the wrap. Fold it into half, and this is the most easiest way to do, is start making pleats. The momos are ready to pan fry. Heat a pan, add in a little bit of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, let's start placing the momos. Once it catches color on one side, flip it over. Cook it for a few seconds on the other side. Don't let it catch too much color. Once they are slightly cooked from all the sides, add in a little bit of water. Cover and let them steam for around 5 minutes. While the momos are steaming, let's quickly make the momos chutney. Once the tomatoes are cooled, let's peel the skin off. Let's put it in a chopper. Also add in the garlic cloves, a tablespoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of red chili flakes, a teaspoon of soy sauce, salt to taste. Let's pulp these ingredients. This should be done. And your momos chutney is ready. I also added a little bit of coriander leaves for the green color and flavor. Let's remove this in a bowl. Let's check on the momos. The water has evaporated and the momos are nicely cooked. Let's remove them in a plate. If you like momos, definitely give this a try. My pan-fried momos with my version of the momos chutney is ready. Give it a try, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.